did a pretty cool mod on my PA-14 today. So this is my 360 light. It's actually a boat light. You know, the rear light for boats. It plugs into a socket. So this is just something I built at my shop, and it mounts to one of the platforms on the A-trail. And what I did is I was thinking about how to run my wiring, and I didn't want to poke another hole in the boat. So I thought, you know, I might be able to run that wiring through that A-trail. So I came in and I drilled, see if you can see that, a little tiny hole, 1/4 inch, and I ran a fish, and I got by the steering component, and I got to the other side and pulled it out and was able to run my line and get that hooked up into my distribution hub. And I know that stuff's all just laying in there. It's because my first idea didn't work. So I have another idea that I'm gonna work. But if you look here, get off that. There's where it comes out, and then it goes down into the wiring grommet for Hobie. And it comes in here and then hooks in, and that's on my B circuit for my distribution hub. Sorry about that. That's on my B circuit. So there's my 360 light. There's my LED lights. And then I've also got my power pole hooked up and my graph. And that's it. And it's only at an angle, so because it would hit my rod tube holder. So I just stabbed it at an angle so I could actually plug it in. But that's it.